How to reset your Twitter feed. Now, in order to reset your X feed, you just simply need to open your Twitter application. Now, you don't directly get an option to reset your whole Twitter algorithm or feed, but you can do one thing. After opening the app, simply tap to your profile icon from the top left corner and then go to the option of settings and privacy. After opening settings and privacy, you will see the option of privacy and safety. Tap to privacy and safety and you will see one option of content you see. Now tap to content you see, and from here what you can do is to change the content that you see in exploring, searching or the home page. Just simply select explore setting at first and personalize the content that you would like to see in there. And after that also do the same thing for the search setting. You can hide sensitive contents or the content that you don't want to see from the search settings as well. And you can do the same for the sensitive media. You can set it to warn, show all or never show this. And after customizing all this, your Twitter feed will be reset. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.